In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your forms to Brevo. First, make sure you're logged into your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a navigation panel. Find the section labeled Marketing and click on it to expand the options underneath. From that drop-down, select Forms. This is where all of your existing forms are stored. In the Forms area, choose the specific form you want to connect to your website and click on its name to open the form editor. Inside the editor, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Share. On the right side of that row, you'll see a button that says Return to this step. Go ahead and click that. This will expand the sharing options for your form. Brevo gives you a few different ways to connect your form to your site. You'll see options like a direct link, a QR code, an iframe, HTML, and simple HTML. Each one has its own use case, but in this example, we're going to use the HTML option because it gives you a flexible way to embed the form directly into your page layout. Click on the HTML option, then copy the code that Brevo generates for you. Keep this code handy because we're going to paste it into your website builder. To show you how this works in a real setup, let's use Shopify as an example. In your Shopify admin, open your theme editor. Once the theme editor is open, look at the left-hand panel where all your sections are listed. Click on Add Section. A panel will appear with different types of sections you can add to your page. In the search bar, type Custom Liquid, then select the Custom Liquid section. You can drag this new Custom Liquid section up or down in the left panel to place the form exactly where you want it on the page. With the Custom Liquid section selected, you'll see a large field where you can paste custom code. Paste the HTML code you copied from Brevo into this field. After a moment, your live preview on the right should refresh, and you'll see your Brevo form appear right inside your Shopify page layout. From now on, every time someone fills out that form on your website, their details will automatically be added to your list in Brevo, and that's it.